In this short video we're going to look at creating an account on Joomag and then building and creating your own magazine. So first things first is you need to click on the create an account. It'll give you three options: one to log on with your Facebook details, two to log on with your Twitter details, or three to enter a email and then a password. So I've already done that, so I'm going to click login. You can see you get a box very similar to that when you create an account. And we're going to connect with my Twitter account. It will ask permission for my Twitter account to do this, and I'm happy for that to happen. It will now log me in. First thing I want to do is hit the big red button to create a magazine. It's going to give me some instructions. I can now add a title. And then go next. Now I've already uploaded a logo. However, you can do that by clicking the upload new. I'll show you. It then brings you this page. You can then click upload, browse for an image. As I say, I've already got an image that I'm happy with. And then it gives you a preview of what that image will look like. So I'm happy with that, so I can save that. I can then scroll down, and I've got two choices to create a magazine. I can create from template, or I can upload a PDF file. If you want to create a PDF to upload, then the easiest way is to use Word. You can add pictures and text in Word, save it as a PDF, and then upload it to this format. In this video, we're going to look at how we can create from template. So we're going to click Create from Template. We can add the number of pages, and we could change the size, but I'm happy with all of those being left as they are. I can now choose a template. So we're going to go for Metropolitan, and then click Create, Issue, and Finish. Brings up this bar here, and we've got a number of choices here. What we're looking for is the edit content, but we'll just talk you through some of the other options. So when you finish your magazine, you have an option to embed it, which means it could be inserted into a web page, or you can click the share function, which will allow you to link to it. So we're going to click edit content. Brings up this page. You can see at the top that we're in editing mode. I'm going to click on the edit page button, and we can see we've got a number of different options down the left and down the right. So we're going to quickly go through those. The arrow tool allows you to select stuff. So if you want to change an element, you click on it. And once it's selected, and you can see it selected by the little boxes that appear around it, you can then choose the text tool and select. You can then type in your new title. If you want to change the font, you can select the font and then change the different types of font from the menu at the top. So we're now going to look at some of the other options. We can add photos. To show you how you add in a photo, we click on the photo tool. It brings up all the photos that are uploaded with that template. So we're going to choose the bridge. If you wanted to add one of your own pictures, you can click browse to add your own picture, and then we click place. We then have to click and drag a box, and it will then insert the picture into the box for us. So I'm happy with the box. I can then come down to the free transform tool, and I can resize my picture so it fits with my layout. So I'm going to have that just there. When I'm happy with that, I can go back to the selection tool, and we'll just very quickly whiz through some of the other options we've got available. So we've got the ability to choose a colour, so we can use the eyedropper tool to select a colour. We've got a rotate tool, and on the other side we've got the ability to save everything, and you need to do that regularly. Click Save Changes. Go back to the edit page option. We've got the ability to discard changes, so we can undo things we make a mistake. We can add layers and do a variety of other tasks. So there you go.